All right, so you just answered some questions in a quiz and in this poll. So I'm going to show you if you got them right or not. So which of these words is a contraction? I've is what you should have picked. That is a word, two words that we can turn into a contraction, but it is not a contraction here. And then obviously booger is not a contraction. Just make sure you're looking for that apostrophe. It's a little bitty dot with the tail. That tells you whether it's a apostrophe or not, and whether it's in a contraction. Which of the following sentences is correct? So they all say the same thing. That's where I've been all day. But I've is our contraction, so you should have to see which one that is spelled right, and that's is our contraction, so you have to see which one is spelled right. So this one, that's, does not have an apostrophe, and I've does not. This one, I've does not. That does. That's does, and I've does in this one, so that means our answer is C. So just paying attention to those apostrophes. I am not sure where it's at in the house. So it's is our contraction. Here it does not have an apostrophe. Here it has an apostrophe, so that's where it's the contraction. So B should have been your answer. The next one is I've been working where it's been, or I've been wondering where it's been. I've is our contraction. As you can see, the only one in this entire thing where it's written correctly is A. And then the other contraction is it's, and it's written correctly here and here, but not in both of these. So these two should have been your last two that you could have chose from. But once you looked at I've and you said, oh, that one's definitely not it because the I've is not done correctly, A is the only choice you can have because it has I've and it's with an apostrophe, because that's how we write contractions. Please tell me that's your cactus. That is our contraction. This one, it doesn't have an apostrophe. This one does. So A is obviously our answer. And that's what you should have done on all of that. So try these next 3 slides, and then I'll see you in a second to show you how you did.